All right, this is Calibos, and we are playing um, Antimatter Chemistry. So I've kind of found a rabbit hole that I'm kind of interested in doing, and we're gonna see if we can pull anything out of this rabbit hole. So I think that we need the sodium chloride. So sodium chloride, maybe it's the silicon dioxide. So I think that we're looking to make calcium, right? In order to get calcium, um, if we make andesite, we have a good chance of doing it. So let's look at this and we'll go andesite. Like so. Now, one of the reasons that I would like andesite, well, one, it'll give us calcium, hopefully. Uh, Calcium will give us bone meal. Well, it will allow us to make bones. There we go, calcium. That also gives us the scandium that we need for because remember, we need scandium for machine case. Yeah, machine case. Oh, that gives us platinum as well. Much stuff we're getting out of this. Pumping the silicon dioxide in, pulling the andesite out. That gives us a little bit of scandium. Get that other chest we're carrying around. Alright. Let's go dump some of this in. So platinum is 78. Our handy dandy chart. We're starting to fill this out. 78. Middle somewhere. There it is. Right next to gold. That is the platinum group. So platinum is right below nickel. So nickel, go there. Platinum. How about scandium? I don't remember scandium anywhere. Oh, there it is. 21. This calcium, which is 20. All right. So bone meal. I want to make bones, and in order to do that, we need. Gosh. I'm not even sure how to begin pronouncing that. But we'll need 5 calcium for that. What is that? 4 oxygen. That is this. We'll need 6 of that. My gosh, I don't even know if this plan is going to work, to be honest. So we'll need 6. So 5 calcium, potassium. 8 oxygen. No, I'm sorry, that's 26 oxygen and 2 hydrogen. Oxygen. Six. Our calcium is already forgotten as far as calcium. 5. We don't have enough because I mean it's gonna take 3 to make this. We're just gonna get 1 bone meal out of this. Oh my gosh, no. Even worse. So 3 gives us 1 bone. 2 gives us 3 bone meal. See how exciting this is? So we're gonna need more of the calcium. Or andesite. Or of the silicon dioxide. Okay, let's go ahead and put all of this back for the now. Our inventory here. Gonna take. So here's where I'd like to go with this rabbit hole. I'm trying to get us up to sulfur. So if I can get us up to sulfur, this also is getting us towards the aluminum oxide that we need. Remember, we need aluminum oxide. So it was aluminum oxide and potassium chloride. So potassium chloride, we should have sodium. There it is. Potassium chloride, we've got 40 of it. Right. So yeah, I'm trying to get to sulfur because with sulfur we can make yellow antimatter. Yellow antimatter we make more sulfur and or whatever. So I'm kind of going a roundabout way to do this. There probably is a better way to do it, but I don't see one. I mean, trick is bone meal, right? Need if I could get daisy, not daisy, dandelions, then it becomes really, really easy. Really. Dioxide. I'm gonna truck back into this. Back into this. Oh, that gives us more scandium anyway. calcium. Perfect. Rest of this down. But yeah, very exciting, right? All of this chemistry that we're all doing. Able to fit between those. Oxide. Lava. Make lava. So magma crucible. I suspect that I'm going to need to go to the nether before I can get easy access to lava. But we're making progress. We need a total of... That just assumes that we get lines. Lead iodide. So... Not sulfur. Get the sulfur with the yellow antimatter. Get from sulfur. Way that we were going for sulfate was light gray dye, lime, pink. I think that we were trying to make the bone meal, then we need the rose red. Okay, so let's make a beetroot. That seems like it's going to shortcut all of this stupid process that I'm doing. My gosh. Root is iron oxide and sucrose. Iron oxide and lock the recipe. Like beet seeds. Triglyceride, iron oxide, and sucrose. So we also need triglyceride. That we have actually. Frankly. Come on, give it to me. Be the beets. Come on. Thank you. So that is actually going to give us additional or a beat going. That will give us a source of. No. We want to turn that into the dye. Then we'll break down the dye. Gives us the mercury sulfide, which gives us sulfur and mercury. Nice. So now that we have the sulfur and the mercury, go ahead and take the sulfur. That's going to give us the yellow antimatter, which we can break down, which will give us more sulfur. Gives us the scandium and the chromium and the sulfur. Sweet. So that was a lot less difficult than I was kind of expecting it to be. I guess kind of sometimes life works like that. Can't remember why we were trying for sulfur. Sulfur is 16. Right there. Mercury, mercury. Right. Chromium is 24. Base. So looking at our quests, yeah, I don't remember why we were going for sulfur. Like, I knew that there was a thing that I wanted from sulfur. Sulfur. This combiner gives us that, which can give us protein. Cadmium sulfide. Look, we can make penicillin. Lapis. Blaze powder. Ooh. Okay. That is a thing that we might want to do. So I just need to make 8 gunpowder, 4 stacks of sulfur, and we will have a drop of evil. Means that we too could have a proper mob spawner. Okay, okay. I mean, I know I was looking at bone meal. We needed calcium for bone meal. I wanted to grow various things. Did make a mob spawner, then calcium becomes not a problem because you get it from bones. So I know that we needed the machine frame. So we needed the indium now, because we've got scandium we can make. So indium we're going to get from diorite. So diorite it is. Gosh. So I'm still having fun with this, actually. It's a little weird and complicated, but I'm enjoying like filling out the art with stuff. I don't know. I'm liking it. And I guess some of it I'm making it harder than it probably has to be, and follow the chart and kind of grind through. But you have stuff that they haven't asked for yet. We can actually make yellow antimatter, and I don't think that they have. Yeah, we skipped all of that, so we're all the way down here now. I would like to get to the cobblestone. Honestly, it was really easy to do. Like once I actually looked up how to get beads. Maybe we need to make sure that we have like one of each of just to have. Down, up. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my mob spawner on bedrock so that anything that has to come for us has to come up, and we can just corral it and put a roof on it. But that's probably going to do it for us. I mean, we didn't get a lot done that we were... we did get stuff done. I'm not going to say we got tin now. Magnesium, aluminum oxide. Silicon oxide. Diorite. A lot of things. On in here, let's do this, get rid of the stuff that we have. Osmium, manganese. So we're now starting to get closer to our machine frames. But that was we're calling it here buzzer, so I guess we'll call it here. But silver below copper, so 1 over 1 right of zinc. So yeah, I hope you liked this episode. If you did, leave me a like. If you didn't, don't. Simple as that. Questions, comments, concerns, they can all go below. Yeah. Folks, have a fantastic night.